Hey guys, so if you saw my live, I give back to the community, and this was some packages, care packages that I gave out: floss, toothpaste, toothbrush, gloves, socks, scarves, snacks, little candy to the homeless. This has been 5 years since I've been doing this, and it is a joy. It was a pleasure going out today in the rain to see the smiles on people's face, people asking for more food. It was a joy. I was not able to hug someone, but I know today I touched a life. God has blessed me to touch the lives of others who are in a less fortunate situation. There were so many people today in wheelchair, young, aged, middle-aged. Life is what we make of it. Life is tough. Life is a struggle, but hold on. Anything you set your mind to or put your mind to, don't give up on it. I could have given up on YouTube because people are not watching my videos. I am not like a big YouTuber, and positivity does not sell or get as much publicity as one that is doing good. Don't give up. I don't call it Thanksgiving, I call it giving thanks, blessing a heart, a mind, or just being able to help someone who is in need. So last night I was on live. I made some chicken soup, 2 pots of chicken soup, celery, carrots, potatoes, noodles. I made a delicious soup last night, and today, Thanksgiving Day, we drove around in many communities in Hartford to distribute food to the homeless. I don't normally add or take photographs with the homeless. People are destitute. People are in need. So you'll only see my preparation. And for 2024, it was yet another overwhelming, but it was another success. Thanks be to my daddy up above, God, enlarge my territory and any other one who is also out there helping, feeding souls. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss a live or a video upload. Them streets was wet today. Thank you for stopping by. Catch you in another video. Bye.